Hi everyone. I would today like to talk about one of the opportunity which is for volunteerism. I always come up wherein I'm talking about fully funded opportunities for the post graduation or the graduation, but this time it is about volunteerism. So when I say about volunteerism, anyone who has a goodwill and would like to contribute in their community development can apply for this. So this is this amazing International Volunteer Forum 2026 happening in Hungary. So if you are ready for this biggest summit in Europe, uh, it is going to give you 100 fully funded scholarship that will cover your return airfare, accommodation, visa fee, meal, and other things as well. So the applications are now open for the International Volunteer Forum 2026 in Hungary. This is the fourth time it is happening. So this is called to be a fourth edition of IVF taking place in Budapest from July 9th to 12th of uh, of of this year. Applicants can apply all around the globe and engage with the expert from the UN bodies, global NGOs, and academic institutions. So the 4-day program unites change makers, policy makers, volunteer, thoughtful leaders, influencers from all over the globe for the collaborative action in the pursuit of the global good. So if you're interested, you must apply now. This is a 4-day conference, and the deadline is coming to be 5th of April 2026. You would get a lot of support, okay, with regards to the visa when it comes to the visa invitation letter, which is a very big support these days because the visas are little challenging. So if you're looking for it, must apply now because the visa process and everything do take time, and the screening and everything would take time. I always believe from my experience, the moment you come to know about any opportunity, you must, and if you're interested, you must apply right there, because if you think that will apply, it will never happen and the date would pass. So it is important that you must apply now. And the eligibility criteria is super simple. So it's about the target audience, the advocacy focus, eligibility is open to all. Advocacy is community development. Target audience is the young leaders, volunteers, social impact professional. Age you should be 15 years and more, and open to all. What I'll do is I'm going to put forward the details of the program in the description. You must apply if you're interested, or if you're not, then you should pass on this information to somebody who really needs it, and it can be seen as one of the amazing opportunity because this will reflect a lot on your CV. So on that note, I'm going to take off, and I know that you guys are having a lot of questions on my other videos. I will make another video for the same and would get back to you guys. Okay, in the meantime, keep liking my videos because that gives me a lot of happiness. Bye.